Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Following that, select the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Also on Google Pixel, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to transfer. Then hit Got It in the pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect thanks to this key, tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!